This quick video will go over the instructions for the Unit 1 outline for the personal essay. It is a pre-writing assignment for Unit 1 in English 101. This outline is required before you submit a draft or rough or final of your personal essay in Unit 1 of 101. The outline should be completed based on Reading 1, which is the reading assigned by your instructor in Unit 1 of the course. This particular semester, that reading is Struggle for Smarts, and you can see it listed here. But if you're watching this video in a future semester, it might be a different reading. So just check the assignment instructions and use whatever R1 has been assigned for your semester. You'll want to review the resources in the course, organizing ideas, thesis statements, outlining, whatever resources are listed here. And before you begin your outline, it's really important that you understand what you're going to be writing in the final personal essay. So make sure that you review the guidelines for the personal essay and choose which one of the Unit 1 writing prompts you're going to be using. So the Unit 1 or the guidelines for the personal essay will tell you what your final essay is going to include. And so that will kind of help you understand a little bit about what you're going to be writing. You will also be choosing one of the 4 prompts or one of the however many prompts are available for your semester. The prompts will be related to the reading for your semester. So this particular semester, these prompts are all related to the reading Struggle for Smarts. Whatever your R1 is, that will drive these questions. So you'll choose one of these questions. You'll look over the personal essay guidelines so you have an idea of what it is you're writing about. And then you're going to come back here and complete the outline. The outline is a pre-writing step. There is a personal essay planner that you can use to help you get organized. The planner looks like this. It has an opportunity for you to understand the question, brainstorm possible topics, and then sketch out the way that you're going to organize all of your details. So you are welcome to use this planning document. This is not the outline itself. This should not be turned in place of your outline, and it is not required that you do this or submit this. It is only an optional resource available to help you. You will be turning in an outline, and there is a sample outline in the course. You can access it by clicking on the Reading, Writing, Arithmetic link to see the sample assignments for Unit 1, and you can access the sample outline there. So this is obviously a different reading, not the reading that you'll be using, but it gives you an idea of what your outline should look like. You do need to use Roman numerals, letters, numbers, and indentations in order to formally outline your ideas. The essay must include a thesis statement that connects your life and experiences to the concepts and ideas in the reading. So you will be using the reading and referencing it throughout your essay. You will need to have a references page and citations anytime you mention the original reading. You also must have some discussion of your own life and experiences. That's what makes it a personal essay. So you're going to be integrating your own thoughts and ideas along with the thoughts and ideas of the article that you've read. So your final essay is going to be graded based on this outline rubric. I think the point value on this might be changing, but the rubric essentially is just asking that you have a thesis statement, that it's all organized, that you've included appropriate details, and that it is in formal outline format. Please let me know if you have any further questions about this assignment. I'll be happy to help you.